Hi, we're here at 1733 North Artesian. This is the garden unit. We just adjusted the price to $16.50 a month. You can't find a garden unit with condo quality like this for less than $1,800 in Bucktown or Wicker Park. And we are literally half a block away from the 606 trail. So let's take a look at the garden unit at 1733 Artesian. First, one of the highlights is this little nook here with a coat closet when you first walk in. Again, the doors, solid steel for security, and you're surrounded by a wrought iron gate fence and privacy fence. The flooring itself is the pre-engineered wood that's waterproof. Want to point out too, we are an English garden apartment, which means the windows are above grade, the flooring is below grade. But look at this quality. The original developer worked with the designer to pick out this exotic quartz countertop and the stainless steel pulls and this stainless steel appliance package from Samsung. I can vouch for Samsung as I do own a Samsung fridge myself, and I own a Samsung dishwasher. Fantastic, plus the Samsung stove, and finally microwave. But look at this quality here. Again, most garden apartments in Bucktown and Wicker Park that rent for $1,800 do not have this condo quality. Really, really appreciate that. When you come here, you'll notice that you have, again, a bathroom with condo quality. Beautiful tile work. Look at this incredible tile work in the shower, light fixtures, and of course, your faucet. What's great too about the garden unit here at 1733 Artesian is that you get your own washer and dryer. So washer and dryer is free, your water is free. All you have to do is pay for your utilities, which are electric, gas, and internet. You also have access to your patio and backyard. Fantastic eastern exposure. It's sunny, it's bright, and then you're just in walking distance from the CTA Blue Line. Again, the kitchen is here, the living room here to give you proper perspective. Here's the secondary bedroom. Again, beautiful floors, window, and look at this extra wide closet. A lot of closet space here. And finally, here is the primary bedroom, if you will. Double windows, long rectangular shaped bedroom, and again, extra wide closet. Light fixtures, smoke detector, 1733 North Artesian. This is the garden unit. We're asking $16.50 a month. Call me today for more details.